In this video, I'm going to show you how you can front run news and events when trading meme coins. And what I exactly mean by that is you can find a coin related to an event before it happens and buy before anyone else does. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. For example, this coin, January 18th, Solana's all-time high day. Why did we buy this coin? We all pretty much bought the floor because we were speculating that this could pump. This was an event coin related to Solana hitting all-time highs. The last all-time highs were 264, I'm pretty sure. And Solana was pumping a lot that day. We were speculating Solana would hit 300. It didn't, but we still loaded up on all these coins. First coin we bought was January 18 because the ticker was clean. The description said Solana's all-time high day. So we bought this. This was the first one we bought. We also bought this one, which was the OG, 10 months old. We didn't end up making money on this because this January 18th coin ended up being the runner for that meta. But we still bought all of them because we were speculating that all of them could go. We bought the floor on this as well, my whole friend group. And this didn't end up going. I still made 1.7 sol on this. The third one we bought for this meta was sold 300 because we were speculating that Solana would hit 300 that day. It did not end up hitting 300, but I'm pretty sure this still pumped a lot. Somebody from my friend group bought early. I did not. I bought at around 54k. This ended up migrating, going to 200k, and later it dipped and went even higher to 400. This is a great example how you can find news and events, how you can buy coins related to news and events before the event itself happens. Most people will go looking for the coin when they see the event already being posted on Twitter, and you can buy before that if you are sure that people will buy the coin. Let me show you some other examples and how you can find these coins. What I do is I go on Twitter, I go on AI. You can use ChatGPT. I like to use Grok. You can ask what events are happening this month. You can ask AI what events are happening, and he will tell you exactly what events will happen. So for example, you can go through all of these and decide which one are the most relevant ones. For example, Cancer Day, because Cancer is meta. This is already over. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we all bought this as well. I made 2.2 sol. My sales are horrible on this because I did not like the chart at all. This did not have volume at all. That's why I sold. But it ended up migrating later. This is also a great example. We found this because of AI. We just went to, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Grok. We just went to AI, asked AI what events are happening this week or this month, and went through all of the coins, all of the events, and decided which one are the most relevant ones. I can show you some other examples. For example, grok.com. This was a month ago. A lot of people from my friend group made a lot of money on this. I did not end up making that much. I only made 3.5 sol. But we bought this early as well because our entries were about 12 to 15k. So this ended up pumping a lot, went to 300k as well. We bought this because Elon Musk, this is Grok by the way, Elon Musk's AI on Twitter. This ended up pumping as well because Elon Musk was going to launch the website for Grok that day, and he was gonna launch Grok that day on Twitter. So as you know, if you trade meme coins, people like AI on meme coins. So we were speculating that this coin would pump, and we all bought in early. Somebody made a lot of money. I'm pretty sure Ada was the one who made the most because he held it to the top. But all of us made profit on this. This was also a great example. If you know what's happening, Oh, actually, some of our friend group bought in at 7k, which is literally the floor. My first entry was 12k. This ended up pumping later on, and I have some sales here as well. But yeah, so this is a great example how you can find coins. How you can find coins related to events before it happens. I can show you as well some coins I am holding right now, hoping for them to pump, because, for example, Feb 5, I bought this at 6k. It's already at 17k. I am already 2 sol in profit on this. This is Ronaldo's birthday. It is gonna happen tomorrow. This is definitely not financial advice. I'm holding this because I have the floor. I have nothing to lose. But yeah, why we bought this is because Ronaldo is the most famous person. That's why I bought this. It's his birthday tomorrow. This is also a great example of how you can find coins before anyone else does. What else? Happy birthday, Facebook. It's Facebook's birthday today, I'm pretty sure. This has not yet pumped, but it might when they start posting about it. Facebook is I'm pretty sure Facebook is the most used social media. What is the biggest social media? Facebook is the largest social media site. Yes, so I'm pretty sure this will pump today. At least I hope so. I'm still holding. I am not in profit on this, only 0.3. Also, happy birthday YouTube. This is also a great example. YouTube, everyone is using YouTube. When was YouTube launched? Created. February 14th. So this is gonna happen in 1.5 weeks. 1.5 weeks. This is a great example also. It's at 9k. We bought the floor on this as well. 6k entry. What you always need to do is search up the coins. For example, you know that it's Ronaldo's birthday. You need to search up all of them and decide which one is the best. So let me just do that. So why do I think that this one is the best? Because I'm not holding any of the other ones. So this is Ronaldo's mother's birthday. This is 10 hours old. So we bought the OG 2 days old. This is Ronaldo's birthday comment. This is not relevant at all. This is 1 day old. And yeah, there's this 3 days old, but it's on Moonshot, and I'm pretty sure Dev is not holding anymore, but when we opened this, Dev was holding 10%, and we did not realize that. And also this is Moonshot. Nobody cares about Moonshot. And also usually the coin that's already at the highest market cap will pump the biggest. So you need to be ready for that as well. Also there was a coin called 100M. All my friends made a lot of money on this. I missed this because I was taking a shower, I'm pretty sure, at the time, but this went to 3 million. This is a great example of a front run of an event. So what this means is Trump was hitting 100 million followers. My friends bought at around 18k to 30k market cap, and this went to 3 million later the same day to 2.4. And this coin was made when Donald Trump was hitting 100 million followers. He has 100.2 now. So everyone bought this from my friend group, and I'm pretty sure all of them made a lot of money on this. This is also a great example of a front run. So basically, this is MOG. I bought this first time at 67 million, 6 sol, 2 sol, 1 sol, 1 sol, 1 sol, and I DC'd down right here because I saw the consolidation, and my confidence was the highest because I started seeing tweets on crypto Twitter about Aiden Ross buying MOG. It was only speculation, but that speculation led to the chart got candling. and that's a great example of how you can be active on social media to know what's happening on crypto Twitter. You just gotta be active on social media to maybe find entries like this. I ended up making 17 sol on this, which is great. I'm super happy with this, and you can do it as well if you just stay active on social media, stay aware of what's happening. This is exactly how you can find coins early. Yeah, make sure to follow my Twitter. I'm posting alpha on there every time I'm streaming almost every day. Make sure to sign up for Nova through the link in the description. I have an access code in the description, the fastest Telegram bot. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.